Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to dive into my review series on some of the pods and the drinks that Bartesian offers. Today we're going to be reviewing the Frosty Navel. Now I know you're probably thinking, well, this is a wintertime drink that they only have around Christmas time. Yes, can you get it right now? No, they don't have it on the website, but a good review for the future, upcoming holidays and winter. You can get it now. Hear the review so you can prepare for next year. So let's get right into it. So here's a little rundown of the drink itself. A little bit of a nameplate here. This is based off of a Fuzzy Navel drink, more so orange tasting. Peach schnapps would be in your original Fuzzy Navel, but I'll flip it over. If you're curious as to what the ingredients are and calorie wise, you can pause it right here because I'm not going to stay on too long. This drink is a vodka-based drink, so it works well if you have a duet version like myself because it only uses one chamber of alcohol or spirit. I always like to highlight or see how much spirit or alcohol is going into the drink. You'll find with more of the drinks that call for 2 or 3 spirits, normally the regular will be looking like a strong. I normally do a regular, but here's what the rundown per spirit drawing from the bottle in ounces. Like I said, I normally go regular, so you're gonna get 1.5 ounces of vodka within that drink. At the pod itself, like I said, low vodka right on there. And you got a little bit of a mixture on the back. A lot of orange tasting flavors within this drink. So that is a pod right there. I guess I should have mentioned at the end of the video, when I go to actually taste it, even though I already have before, I'll give an honest review, personal review out of 10. Obviously, that's going to differ depending on what you like to drink. I'm just trying to provide an opinion so you can, maybe use it to go and purchase that pod or stay away from it. So I can actually make the drink. I've already have my vodka loaded in that chamber. Should do enough. I've already loaded water in the water chamber. Time to put in my pod. I already have one of my new Bartesian highball glasses with some ice in it. Let's brew this drink. Whenever it comes straight off of the drink cycle, I guess, I always stir it just because some of the alcohol likes to sit up top. So give it a little stir just to mix it completely in. Anyways, Frosty Navel, Christmas time, winter time drink. Here we go. And that, to be honest, that is pretty good. Like I said, I've tried this before, so I sort of already knew what was coming, but you get some good orange flavor here, and that orange is a standout here. Normally with Fuzzy Navel, you get a little bit of peach. It's peach schnapps. If you go back to the ingredient list, you do not get any peach ingredients in here at all. I think one of the ingredients I saw was like something carrot and pumpkin, which is odd, but then again, I don't know if those mimic something, but for it not having peach, I am getting peach out of this. So, all right, I guess it's time for my personal rating out of 10 on the Frosty Navel here. Like I said, you get good orange flavor. You get hints of peach, even though there isn't any peach in here, but it's still pretty good. Would I buy it again? Yeah, and that's the thing. If I would probably put this on like a gift list, like, hey, yeah, if you see this, I'll take it. Like, it's pretty good. Again, this is more so, it's an orange drink. You can have it whenever, so I don't know why they really market it for winter time or holiday time, but then again, it's whatever. I could drink this in the summer. For this drink, I give it a 7 out of 10. Like I said, it's mainly orange, though, so that's the thing. If you're fine with sort of like a screwdriver orange juice and vodka or whatever is in that. But again, it's still pretty good. So there we go. There was a review of the Frosty Navel. Again, I have a couple more pods. I have a lot more pods. I've just been accumulating them throughout the years just to have whenever I want or when people come over. So stay tuned for more review videos like this. Make sure you subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. hopefully we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.